fire and explosion. So today we will learn about what is fire and what is the difference between fires and explosion. So the difference between fires and explosion depend on their rate of energy release. As you can see, for fires, they will involve a slow, while explosion involve a rapidly rate of energy release. Between these two terms, fires and explosion, there are few definitions that you need to know for you to be able to determine what is the fires and explosion characteristics. Among the definition could be the ignition, combustion, flash point, fire point, flammability limits, and so on. Through these few lessons, you will able to determine and should be familiar with the fire and explosion properties of material, the nature of fire and explosion process, and also the procedures to reduce fire and explosion hazards. This is a video explaining how a fire can grow.
This chair is an example of a fuel-controlled fire. Note the 4 stages of fire: ignition, growth, full development, and decay.
So from this video, you already learned about what is the step or what is the development of fire growth. Alright, as you can recap,
this chair is an example of a fuel-controlled fire. Note the 4 stages of fire: ignition.
The first one is the ignition.
Growth.
Then you have the second one is the growth.
Full development.
And you have full development until the 4th stage is
and decay.
Decay. Alright. So our first lesson today is what is the ignition. What is the ignition for fire? When we said about ignition, actually there are involved a fire triangle. In this fire triangle, it should have oxidizers, fuels, and also ignition sources. Oxidizers can be in any form of liquids, gases, and also solids. These are few examples of what is the oxidizers in terms of gases and also solid, such as hydrogen peroxide, metal peroxide, chlorine, oxygen, and so on. It does not only depend on oxygen. As long as the chemical is the oxidizers, fire can be ignited. Then you have fuel. Fuel also come in either in form of liquids, solids, and also gases. So there are many types of fuel, such as gasoline, acetone, ether, metal particles, propane, and so on. And last, the third part of fire triangle is the ignition sources. It could be in form of sparks, flames, static electricity, and also heat. So we will look further what is the ignition sources for major of the fire accidents. Okay, because usually oxidizers and fuels are the chemicals or are the part of components that already stored, okay, inside a facility. Okay, so this is the ignition sources of fire, major fires. As you can see, the ignition sources mostly come from electrical wirings of motors. Okay, so from this table, what you can see is electrical, smoking, friction, overheated material, hot surface, burner flames. Okay, these are all the ignition sources that come from accidents. Okay, smoking, wiring, bad wiring, friction of bearings. Okay, these are the accidents. Okay, these are the fault, okay, during the process. Okay, so these faulty processes, okay, will contribute to this ignition process. Therefore, what we can conclude is, for fire triangle, what you can prevent is this part. Okay, you can prevent these ignition sources. Okay, as oxidizers and also fuels usually is the chemical that already inside the facility. So in next lesson, okay, in the next video, I will show you how, okay, we can calculate or how we can determine and define what is the flash point for every flammability units.